Is it time to buy or sell Trump Media and Technology Group stock? In this video, we are diving deep into Trump Media and Technology Group. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, and now we are here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You do not want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since March 26, 2025, our system has classified Trump Media and Technology Group as a strong sell candidate, assigning it a score of -6.35. Now, let's examine the stock's performance during this time frame. The stock has seen a decline of -10.41%. This equates to an average daily loss of -1.74% since it was categorized as a strong sell candidate. The stock currently resides in the midst of a broad and declining trend in the short term, indicating further declines within this trend. The existing 3-month trend suggests a potential decrease of approximately 47.53% over the upcoming 3 months, with a possible return ranging from -60.24% to -34.42%. When we examine the longer term, our 12-month analysis projects a change of around -23.98%. According to our calculations, the stock's performance could vary from -81.23% to 84.32% over the next year. In current terms, this would place the future price between $3.52 and $34.58. Our latest daily update for Trump Media and Technology Group includes the headline, Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price fell more than 7.4% Wednesday, closing at $18.76. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock price decreased by 7.4% on the last day, Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, dropping from $20.26 to $18.76. During the last trading day, the stock fluctuated 8.33%, with a day low at $18.36 and a day high of $19.89. The price has declined in 6 of the last 10 days, resulting in an overall drop of 8.89% during this period. Volume increased on the last day by 6 million shares, although this occurred alongside falling prices. This may serve as an early warning, indicating a slight increase in risk over the next couple of days. In total, 10 million shares were traded, amounting to approximately $189.75 million. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest stock price reached $56.55, while the lowest price was $11.75. Currently, the price stands 66.83%, or $37.79, below the 52-week high, and 76.37%, or $60.62, below the all-time high on March 26, 2024, when the price peaked at $79.38. Shares of Trump Media and Technology Group, identified by the ticker symbol DJT, are encountering significant challenges. The company has recently submitted a filing to permit the Donald J. Trump Revocable Trust to sell a substantial amount of shares, valued at $2.3 billion. This announcement led to a sharp decline in DJT's stock, reflecting increasing investor apprehension over potential dilution and the ramifications of insider selling. The latest filings suggest that the trust could sell over 114 million shares, adding to a market already cautious about the stock's performance, particularly following disappointing results from related ventures like Truth Social. In a brief period, the stock has fallen by roughly 6%, indicating a strong negative sentiment in the market. Investors are contending with the possibility of increased supply in the market, which may further pressure the stock price downward. Looking ahead, in the short term, the stock may continue to experience volatility as the market responds to further developments regarding insider sales. If the trust moves forward with its selling plan, this could worsen the current decline and prompt a broader market reevaluation. of DJT's value. In the long term, the recovery of the stock depends on the company's ability to stabilize its operations and demonstrate growth in user engagement on platforms like Truth Social. Overall, while stocks affiliated with right-leaning politics have shown some resilience amidst Trump's renewed political presence, DJT's future seems increasingly linked to the evolving events surrounding insider share sell-offs and the performance of its media platforms. Analysts have assigned a general sell rating to Trump Media and Technology Group's stock. They evaluate the price-to-earnings ratio as strong sell and the price-to-book ratio as strong sell. Regarding return on investment, the analysts also provide the stock with a strong sell rating. The following signals have been identified for Trump Media and Technology Group. Furthermore, there is a buy signal from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, commonly known as MACD. Some negative signals have also been issued, which may impact the short-term outlook. The Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation stock currently shows sell signals from both short-term and long-term moving averages, indicating a more pessimistic forecast for the stock. Additionally, a general sell signal arises from the relationship between these two averages, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. In the event of upward corrections, resistance can be expected at the levels of $20.36 and $22.93. A breakout above either of these levels will signal a potential buy. A sell signal was generated from a pivot top point on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, and thus far, the stock has decreased by 17.97%. Further decline is anticipated until a new bottom pivot is established. Yesterday, volume increased amid falling prices, which may serve as an early warning. Therefore, the stock should be monitored closely. Here are some additional signals that may pique your interest. Moving average convergence divergence indicates a buy signal. Pivots suggest a sell signal from 7 days ago. Bollinger signals a buy from 28 days ago. The short-term moving average indicates a sell from 6 days ago. The long-term moving average shows a sell from 52 days ago. The relationship between the short and long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 48 days ago. Analyzing the 12-month chart reveals the short moving average indicated a buy signal 8 days ago. The long-term moving average reflects a sell signal from 37 days ago. The relationship between the short and the long moving averages suggests a buy signal from 32 days ago. For more signals, remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us. Support, risk, and stop loss for Trump Media and Technology Group. Currently, there is no support from accumulated volume below today's level. Under the right conditions, the stock may face significant declines in the coming days. This stock typically experiences moderate fluctuations throughout the day, and with a healthy trading volume, the risk is classified as medium. Over the last day, the stock fluctuated by $1.53 between its high and low points, which represents an 8.33% change. In the past week, the stock has shown an average daily volatility of 6.11%. Before we dive into the potential favorable trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group, let's quickly address some essential fundamental data. First, we have the price-to-earnings ratio, commonly known as the PE ratio. This important metric compares a company's current share price to its earnings per share. A negative PE ratio indicates that the company has negative earnings or is operating at a loss. Even well-established companies may face downturns, often due to factors outside their control. However, consistently negative PE ratios could suggest inadequate profits and potential bankruptcy risks. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for Trump Media and Technology Group. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for Trump Media and Technology Group is at $20.59. If you do not own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. There is no significant support from accumulated volume below, which means the stock could potentially experience a sharp decline under certain conditions. Proceed with caution and consider making trades only if you are an experienced trader who understands how to navigate such situations. The combined average rating for Trump Media and Technology Group from multiple analyst sources is to sell. Now, let's examine some recent insider trades. On March 11, 2025, Eric Swider executed an insider sale of 5,000 shares of common stock, par value $0.1/1000 per share. On March 12, 2025, Eric Swider conducted another insider sale of 10,000 shares of common stock, par value $0.10000 per share. On March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 11,805 shares of common stock, par value $0.10000 per share. On the same day, Philip Juhan also conducted an insider sale of 8,954 shares of common stock, par value $0.10000 per share. Additionally, on March 10, 2025, Philip Juhan executed an insider sale of 300 shares of common stock, par value $0.10000 per share. Based on the 55 most recent insider trades, we have determined that insider power is positive, with a ratio of approximately 22.215. Overall, insiders purchased 226,177,920 shares and sold 115,754,142 shares in the last 55 trades. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this stock, and there is no stop loss in place. Is Trump Media and Technology Group stock a good buy? Trump Media and Technology Group Corporation exhibits several negative indicators and is currently positioned within a broad and declining trend. As a result, we anticipate that its performance will remain weak over the next few days or weeks. Consequently, we have a negative assessment of this stock. Due to minor weaknesses in the technical analysis, we have revised our valuation of this stock from a sell recommendation to a strong sell candidate since the last assessment. Upon examining the volatility and movements from the last trading day, our systems indicate that the current price is undervalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of April, we expect Trump Media and Technology Group to open higher by approximately 243/10,000ths of a dollar, beginning trading at $19. We remind you that trading involves a significant risk of losing money, and it is advisable to consult a financial advisor before making any decisions regarding the buying or selling of securities. Your investment decisions should not be solely based on the information provided by StockInvest.us. By utilizing this information, you acknowledge and accept responsibility for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the stock. Do you agree or disagree? Please share your thoughts in the comments below. What is your target for the stock? Remember to like and subscribe for more insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a wonderful day. With best regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.